My hair is a mess. Hello, everyone. Okay, so we're gonna be unboxing real quick. Mabilis lang to kasi I'm a bit tired already. It's been a long day for me. But I figured I haven't unboxed all of your gifts yet from the family earlier this month. And then some of your gifts from the recent show that we did. Medyo marami sila. So I'm gonna unbox them now. Kasi wala na akong time in the next coming days because I'll be flying on the 31st for my next tour. Yes, tama. I only have another week here in the Philippines. So, let's do it. Let's do it at 11:30. Let's do it quick. Mabilis lang kasi kailangan ko magpahinga dahil may shoot ako tomorrow. I have a really big day tomorrow. Abangan niyo yan kung para sa yung shoot tomorrow. Pero medyo pasabog siya. It's for something it's a big project. So, excited for tomorrow. Ito lahat yung gifts ninyo. Sobrang dami. Ayan sila, nasa may aircon sila. Ayan, sobrang dami. So simulan na natin. Let's do it. See you approximately in Montpellier. Yes, I'll see you there soon in France. Okay, let's start the unboxing na. Medyo marami kasi. This one I believe is from Nicole. It's the Born to Do drag. What do you call this? Keychain. So you can scan this, I think, and then it'll pop up from your phone. See you in Milan. See you in Milan, darling. Milan. Okay, next. This one is from, I don't know, but we'll see. I'm sorry if sometimes mix up yung mga gifts kasi sometimes sobrang dami. Pinagsasama-sama na lang namin sila. But if nandito kayo at nanonood kayo, lagi naman ako nag-unboxing sa live. So if nasa live kayo, ang hirap. If nasa live kayo and hindi ko na-mention yung name nyo, just message. Kiss Brazil. I hope to see you soon again, Brazil. Your show was amazing. Thank you so much. And also medyo trending yung performance namin ni Kiana and Fem Manila. So I'm really happy kasi we poured a lot of work into that number. Biruin mo nagpicture pa ako ng Oh my god, this is so cute. From Pauline. Jeepney signages are small yet special part of Filipino culture. France, Manila, and Down Under. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Kumapit ka ate. Ang translation. Tiens bon petase. And grip it and rip it, doll. Ang ganda. I love this. Thank you, Pauline. You guys are so creative. I love it. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Sabi muna natin itong Dyson. Also, I got a new Dyson. Ito. Aaralin ko siyang gamitin. Actually, dapat din ako bibili nabili ko siya sa True Value dito sa Rockwell. Kasi dito naman ako sa Rockwell. So, sa True Value ko siya nabili. Kasi trinay ko bumili sa Greenbelt sa may Dyson. Hindi ko pinansin. Hindi ko pinansin nung ate girl. hindi ba mahaba yung hair ko for you? So, buti na lang, nakahanap ako. Meron din sa True Value here sa Rockwell, sa power plant. So, doon ako nakabili. So, I'm gonna try this and see if kaya ko siyang dalhin sa tour. Okay. Next. This is from I think this is from Reg. Okay, Reg ba to? I remember it correctly. Oh, Reggie, from Reggie. Oh my god, my memory. As you all know, hindi natin babasahin ng mga letters sa live kasi minsan meron kayong mga kino-confess dito. So, eto para sa akin lang itong mga letters ninyo. We have Pili Nuts. And then, oh my God, chicharon! I love it. And then an eco bag. Ayan, sige. Nagawin kong snack tomorrow to sa shoot. I love the hair. Thank you so much. Okay, next. I believe this is from Hannah. Pasabog naman. Ano to, libro? Diary or parang coffee table book? See you sa Cebu. Yes, see you in Cebu very, very soon. Ayan, as a Chanel girly, no? Thank you so much. C from Hannah. Thank you so much. This is a... I love it. It's a coffee table book. I watched the Coco Chanel documentary. I think when I was on the way to South America. And then sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng music, ng film. Like makita mo talaga dun yung journey ni Coco before she became Coco Chanel. So, ang title nung documentary is Coco Before Chanel. So, makikita nyo dun yung life ni Coco before siya naging Coco Chanel, you know? Very inspiring. I love it. Okay, next. This is, I think, a perfume. A perfume, I think. And body cream. Oh my God. Ang fancy. Sige, try natin tong body cream. Parang siyang lotion, no? Sige. Fancy. She supported the Nazi. Oh my God, I didn't know that. Oh. I didn't know that. I have to read more about that. Leg lotion, ang gamit ko lagi is Aveeno. Pero I might change my lotion. What is the signature Marina scent? I'm not telling you all. I'm not telling you. That's why it's a Marina signature. This one is from, walang nakalagay, pero I think sana may letter sa loob para mapasalamatan natin. Flights. I love it. Lagi ako may socks, by the way. Kasi I remove my shoes pagka lumilipad ako. Ooh, oro. I love it. Flight socks. We have cute crown. Saw you thrice last week. Wow, Pota yan, girl. Ala, puro pang flight. I love it. O, diba, mga masks. I also love putting on masks during flights kasi flights can be really, really challenging sa face. Sobrang dry ng air conditioning ng planes. I really hate air conditioning sa planes. It's either magdadry yung skin ko or magkakaroon ako ng sore throat or ubo because of the plane air conditioning. And syempre, di ba tayo bilang lugi tayo sa mga flights, lagi tayong long haul flights. From Mia, di ba naglagay pa siya ng from Mia, naglagay pa siya ng picture niya. I love it. Thank you, Mia. Skincare reveal. Honestly, ngayon, for some reason, ang ganda ng skin ko kasi ang dami kong in-stop na steps. And also, nag-retinol peel ako sa Lift Aesthetic Clinic. Shout out to Lift Aesthetic Clinic. Nag-retinol peel ako doon and nag-diamond skin ako. I started before my UK tour. And in fairness, usually pag nasa UK ako, nagda-dry out yung skin ko and sobrang dami kong breakout. And surprisingly, hindi. And then recently, since nasa Philippines na ulit ako at yung skin ko pasok na sa typography ng ng place, medyo gumaganda na yung skin ko. Ayan, no, dati sobrang dami kong, ano, diba? If makikita nyo sa mga vlogs ko, na ina-upload ko recently, yun kasi yung time na grabe yung, ano ko, yung mga tours ko, diba? Pero look, diba? Sobrang laki nung in-improve ng skin ko in a span of 6 months. It's been a struggle for me last year, especially last year. Sobrang struggling nung skin journey ko. But for some reason, ang ganda ng skin ko ngayon. I can finally say that. Yeah, and I think, yeah, it adds to the glow, you know. And the hair as well, it adds to the glow. So, I think there's a different glow sa akin ngayon. Mas kalmado din ako and everything, even though sobrang daming pinaprepare. Yeah. It's been a journey. So, sa lahat ng mga nagsusuffer from skin, sa acne and stuff, you just have to try multiple things. So ngayon, nag-trim down ako ng process sa mukha. Binawasan ko yung mga nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. So basically, wash, tone, moisturize. Yun na lang ang ginagawa ko ngayon. And also, ang dami ko rin kasing pahinga sa drag this month. So I think nakatulong din siya. So I don't know anong mangyayari sa akin pagka on tour na ulit ako. So, we'll see. But honestly, kahapon din, may shoot din ako kahapon, and grabe yung skin ko sa shoot kahapon. I'm really, really happy, and I'm really, really proud of myself. This one is from Elaine Yepes. From Elaine Yepes. Thank you so much. Let's see. Do we have scissors here? Here we have. And yes, umuwi na sila Legrand and si Hannah. Today yung flight nila pabalik. Ayaw nga nilang umuwi, pero they have to, you know, go back to their lives and continue on with their respective lives. They always love going here, as in, they love the food. And to be fair kasi, sobrang picky ko rin sa food. So lahat ng mga pinagdadalan ko sa kanila, yung mga gusto ko lang talaga. And also, pinagluto ko din sila. So, expect na I represented Filipino cuisine really, really well. So, love na love nila. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, cute. Siguro naman bag na to, no? Hindi na siya hot. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elaine. Thank you so much, Elaine. I love this. So cute. Anong niluto mo? Nagluto ako ng adobo. Favorite ni Hannah yung adobo ko. Nagluto din ako ng caldereta. Yung lola ko nagluto ng ginataang tuna. Yun yung favorite nila Grand. And then, nagluto din kami ng... Ano pa ba niluto namin? I forgot the other one, pero may isa pa. Next. Ay, may ampaw. Ano to? Pera ba to? Ay, hindi pera. Hikaw. Ang cute. I love it. Watermelon. That's so watermelon. Yung tahong. Hindi ako nagluto ng tahong this time. Kasi mahirap maghanap ng tahong dito sa Rockwell. Next is... Ano to? Akin ba to? Lunchbox na to. Ooh! Oh my God! Oh, cute! Oh my God, I'm so gonna wear this. Oh, thank you so much! Ayan, oh, diba? Ganyan yun. And then, ganyan. O, diba? Parang may bulaklak sa likod. I love it. Thank you so much. And this is a makeup bag. Wow. Thank you. And then, pouches as well. And, my very own custom Marina Chuk Chuk. Si Paul yung nagturo sa akin nun. Nung term na Chuk Chuk. Chuk Chuk daw siya kasi. Sabi ko, bakit Chuk Chuk? Kasi Chuk Chuk. Chuk Chuk daw yung tawag dito. I love it. And then this one, I assume it's a mirror. Because it goes with the overall theme. I hope so. I mean, I won't be mad if it's not. Okay. It is a mirror. A trifold mirror from Muji. Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. Chuk chuk. Shok shok ba? Ah, shok shok. Not chuk chuk. Shok shok. Thank you so much. Ang ganda nitong makeup bag ha, in fairness. Thank you. Kung kanina man siya galing, I'm really sorry. Hindi ko na nakip yung ano. Okay, next. Oh my God! This is for Hanaconda. Bakit nasa akin? Pero I think pare-parehas naman kami ng gift. So, feeling ko na kay Hana yung akin. Nagkapalit kami. I have like 10 of these na. So, thank you so much pa rin. Thank you. Miss Mayhem is here. Hi, sister. I miss you so much. Please come to Manila. Please come to Manila. Everyone, do we want to see Miss Mayhem in Manila? Say yes if you want to see her in Manila. We need her here. Marian Lumeros? Marian Lumeros. I think sa kanya galing yung makeup bag. See, Miss Mayhem, they want to see you here. We need you here. We need you here, sister. Come here. I would love that. Oh, Miss Mayhem. Let's talk soon. I have a really great idea. Mexico. Say hello to Mexico. Hello, Mexico. This one is a mirror. Keychain mirror. Is it a mirror? Yeah. The tiniest mirror ever. Pangina, Pan, I miss you. Do you like my hair? Thank you. Thank you so much. I miss you so much. I hope you're doing well. And I hope to see you soon. Please come back. I need to see you soon. Okay, next one. This is from, I think this is from Joby. Kasi malaki. And trademark ni Joby to. This is Joby's trademark. Yung mga ginaganyan-ganyan. Anong tawag dyan? Kung ano man yan. Binigyan niya pa ako ng ano, diba? Ng scrapbook. Hindi ko pa nalalagyan. I want long hair now and I miss you too. Come on, let's do it. Join the long hair club. From Joby, yes, it's from Joby. Oh my God! Did you make this? Joby, did you make this? Wait, let me see. Wala, she didn't say, but oh my God, this is... It's paper. It's paper art. Look. It's paper art. Oh my God. It's so gorgeous. Oh my God, Joby. Thank you so much. You guys are so creative. Grabe. Is this like you made this? It's a frame. It's an artwork. It's 3D. It's 3D. Like I can... Sorry to touching it, but it's like it's 3D. It's 3D. Why is it backwards? Because I'm using my selfie camera. Oh wait, it lights up? Wait, what? Wait, what? Shut up. Shut up. Oh my God. Oh, yep, it's going somewhere here. It's gonna stay. It's pretty, but it's backwards. Turn your camera. Thank you so much. Thank you, Joby. You're so galing. You're so creative. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love this so much. Okay, we're gonna place her right here already. Ayan na siya. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I really, really love it. Okay, next one. We have loads more. Oh my god. This is from Nicole. From Nicole. Oh my god! It's a Cowboy Carter! Oh, it's a Cowboy Carter CD! Oh, oh my god. Does it open? It does! Oh wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1 second. Oof. Shut up! It's so cute! I really love Cowboy Carter so much. Thank you, Nicole. You guys know me so well. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Turn it back. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the case of the case that I bought for my Rue badges. So I'm so delusional that before flying to UK versus the world, I bought a case like this that I can store my Rue badges without even knowing how many Rue badges that I'm gonna get. But that's how sure I am that I'm gonna get a Rue badge. It's here. I love it. It's a black one. Nice for me. Did you broke it? The what? No, I didn't. It's still intact. No, you manifested it. No, I did not manifest it. I worked hard for it. Bigla akong sumakses eh. Okay, let's open more. There's loads here. We have loads more. Okay, I have to leave soon, so I'm just gonna do a part 2 of this, okay? Nawala kayo last night. Yeah, we were really tired because it was a long day for all of us. This is Taipei Tea House, a room spray. Thank you so much. This is from Tin. Habang magsulat talaga ni T. Oh my god. Stay and open it. Oh no, I need to sleep because I have an early call time tomorrow. It's a Sony Angel. What is this? Thank you, team. Thank you so much. What kind of makeup did you use? I did not wear any makeup today. If that's what you're asking, I did not use makeup today. This one. Ooh, treats. Pepero. Ang haba din. Maureen Alfonso. Basahin natin to later. Kasi baka mamaya meron kayong mga rant dyan. Meron kayong mga childhood drama na sinusulat dyan. Charing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Snacks for tomorrow. Okay, let's open more. We also have these. Because they know that I'm allergic to pollen. So thank you so much for all of these creative things. Creative way to give me flowers. Thank you. This one is, hala, puro mga shuk-shuk. I love it. Oh my God, thank you. Oh my God. Ang dami. Who did this? Oh my God. It's a lot of shuk-shuk. Oh my God, thank you so much. I love it. I love them. See, I'm having goosebumps on. Thank you. I have so many shuk-shuks now. I love it. Thank you. Kung kanino man galing ito, mga shuk-shuk na ito. Ang dami. See you on Work the World. Yes, see you soon. I'm so happy to be part of that cast. Cause it's like one of my dreams to be part of Work the World. Kasi when I was starting doing drag, I was obsessed with Work the World documentary series. So now that I get to do it, that's wild. It's wild. If they don't film it, I'm gonna film it my own. I'm gonna film the entire thing. Not the entire thing, but I'm gonna film my journey there. So trust and believe that I will take you there with me. Because I was really inspired back then. Up until now, if I rewatch it and just like watch the girls do the thing, do the job, I'm like really inspired. And now that I get to do it and to live that dream, insane for me. Okay, let's open more. This one, oh, we have a box. There's a box. Drop your clinic, please. Lift Aesthetic Clinic and Susano Dental. Those are the two clinics that I visit. Let's open this. From Joby. Joby! Ang daming gift ni Joby. Ang dami! I love it! Look, that's me. Puro shuk-shuk din. I love it. Thank you so much. Ayan. Okay, I have to go na. Paalam. Wait lang. I really have to go. Goodbye.